step-by-step guide to understanding and managing file attributes in Windows. File attributes are crucial metadata defining file behavior across storage devices. Learn to utilize them effectively on Windows. Types of file attributes. 1. Read-only, prevent accidental changes. 2. Hidden, makes files invisible unless Show Hidden Files is enabled. 3. Compressed, optimizes storage by compressing files. 4. Encrypted, secures files against unauthorized access. 5. System files, critical for OS functionality. Changing attributes. Properties, dialog. Right-click. Properties. General tab to modify. Command prompt. Use commands like attrib plus rpath to set attributes. Advanced commands. Mark files as read-only or archive. Hide directories completely. Batch rename files using Easy File Renamer. Download and install. Add files, apply rules, and rename. Master file management with these practical techniques for efficient file handling in Windows.